to make zoodles, you need this little gadget called a vegetable spiralizer. You might find one in your kitchen, local kitchen store, but if not, don't worry. The one that I have here is from Amazon. You can order it. What we do is to cut off this zucchini, just cut off the end of it. The next thing is just to pop it into this spiralizer. Next thing is just kind of start turning. So these are the freshly made zucchini noodles, or what they call zoodles here. So now let's cook them. The great thing about zoodles is it only takes 1 minute to cook it in boiling water. And my noodles are done, my zucchini noodles are done. Just strain them all right here. Alright, let's taste it. Alright, yummy. Definitely compared to a wheat-based ramen noodles, it's not as chewy as those wheat-based with all the gluten. But the good thing about the plus side is zucchini ramen noodles absorb the broth very well, so it makes it pretty tasty and delicious.